Yeah, so today we're here to discuss the Brittanic opportunities. It's a new offering that Investec is putting in the market. This offering is in sterling, pound sterling, and it encompasses the investment into the shares of a company, which company is a new company that we'll be creating. And the shares are designed to last for a maximum of 5 years, albeit that investors have got liquidity during the 5 years. And over the 5 years, the investors will be getting their principal protection as to the amount of money that they've put into the share in pound sterling, irrespective of the performance of the market if they stay the full 5-year term. The investments are linked to the performance of the FTSE 100 in the UK, and if this index is up at all over the 5-year period, the investor will get a 35% positive return, i.e. having put in 100, he'll get out 135 in pound sterling. The investment is also designed to give the investor full upside performance if the market is positive by more than 35%. So for instance, if the market does 150, the investor will get 150 with no limit on their performance upside. The investment can be purchased through foreign allowance, being the form of an allowance per annum per investor through SARS. It can also be purchased using asset swap capacity of Investec or other organizations, or amnestied money that is already offshore. The Investec involvement is we the investment advisors to the company, and we'll be giving them input as to what instruments to buy to give effect to this offering. The investor has a daily price which is provided, and that is on the websites. The full information about the offering is as per the link attached to the video clip, and investors are welcome to contact us on our contact details as to acquire details of the offering and any pertinent information about it. The investor will be taxed on any income that is distributed from the company in the form of dividends, or on the sale of their shares, they will be taxed as any other normal share in the foreign markets. Further issues of importance are that the risks to the investor is that the principal protection that we've referred to is provided by Investec buying a tranche of Investec London subordinated debt on the London market and constructing a deposit to protect capital off the back of this instrument. In addition, Investec will be buying through the company that warehouses the assets a option on the index from one of 12 banks, whichever bank gives us the best price, and that's what will stimulate the upside. That bank has to have a credit rating of at least S&P A or better to be able to be considered for the purchase of this option. Other risks to the investor are that the tax in the country changes, regulations change, and the circumstances leading up to the launch, which are scheduled to be by 1 July, change significantly, which do not enable us to continue with the investment, in which case the investors will get their proceeds for application back. The offering is available through a number of authorized advisors, financial advisors who have the appropriate license to sell shares, and we can be contacted to get information as to who these are, and they would include Investec Securities. I think that's a summary of the offering, and if there are any requests for further information, that can be passed through to us from the application forms or from the web links. The minimum investment size is 10,000 British pounds. Thank you.